Good afternoon. How are you? Oh, that's good. That's very nice. Hello, Maha. Welcome to the class. How did you do? Good afternoon, dear. How are you feeling? You're fine. Good. Are you still at your brother's home? Okay. That's. You just left for your home. Okay. Okay. So tell me. Okay. No. Let's begin. Are you ready for the class? Both of you? Okay, let's begin the class. So today we are going to learn about a diagraph, a new diagraph. Let me share the video with you first. Screen is visible. So today we are going to talk about one of the spelling patterns of long O. Yes, sorry, Maha, any problem? Okay. So as you know that there are two vowels, long short vowels, and there are long vowels. Today we will learn about a long vowel. The letter, as you know, that letter O is a vowel and it has two sounds. The short one sounds O. The short O, and the long O. The short one sounds O, and the long one sounds O. So the long vowel sounds O, and the short vowel sounds O, O. Okay, for the short O, the sound is O, O. What is the sound for the short vowel? For the short O, O. Okay, and the long diagraph is O, O. So there are two sounds for the O, for the letter O. The short one is O, O. The short one is O, and the long one is O, O. As it is written on your screen, O dash E, O. It, the long vowel says its name, O. Yes, phone is on the side downstairs. O. So what is the sound? O. Very good. What is the sound? O. What is the sound? O. So long. So letter O, long vowel of letter O is O. 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 What is the sound, Kartikesh? Oh, very good. What is the sound, Mom? Oh, and we write it like this. Look, there are some words. Oh, oh. Okay. Kartikesh, yes, can you please read the word? Well done. Well done. Herb. Now let's read another word. Herb. Okay. This is another word. Nose. 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 Hope. Nose. Stone. We have another word with the long vowel. Stone. 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 Yes, mom, can you read the word? Stone. Stone. Very good. Stone. Okay. Can you think about some more words, Kartikesh and Maham, with diagram O? We have hope, nose, stone, bowl. Very good. Bowl. Yes, yes, Kartikesh. Think about some more words. Body. Oh, that is the short one. Body. D. That is not a long diagraph. We have to think about the words that have a long O vowel in it. Oh, that have the sound O, not O. We are talking about the sound O, not A. Toe. Very good. Excellent job. Maham, well done. Toe. Yes. Kartikesh, think about some more words. We have tool. That is double O. Tool. Two. No, not two. Stone. Oh. Woke. Joke. Bone. Bone. Woke. Oak. On. The oak. That owl. Oh. We are looking for the sound O, not O. OW sound. O. O. The word in which letter O says its name. Choke. Okay. Okay, well done. Now, yesterday we will continue with the same topic. I'm going to start your English lesson now. Let's start your English class. So here I'm going to share where are Nafe and Shafe Maham? Okay. Okay, let's look at some more words. It will be on Friday. And the guys, please remember, children, please remember that there will be dictation as well at Friday. Okay, Kartikesh, can you please read the words that are written in the green box? I'm asked Kartikesh to please read it. Excellent job. Find 6 words from the green box, highlight them. Okay, now you have to find these green, like let's find out the word him first. Him. And I'm going to highlight it like this. I'm just select these words, her, him, her, e, and I will highlight it like this, him. Okay, him. So find out the words quickly. That the first, we have already find the word him over here. Find another word. We have to find the words, the words that are written in the green box. We have to find these words from these puzzles. We have to make the words. We have to make these words. Have, him, his, not, her. One said so, they, we. We. Maham did, sorry, can you please repeat your word? Is. Maham is written. It is written in the green box. No, then why are you finding out the word is? We only have to find these words in the puzzle. We. There is the we. We. Come on, yes, Kartikesh. Yes, Maham, find out other words. We have find out him. We have to find 6 words. We have done 2 words. Well done. Where it is? It's over here. Well done, Maham. Yes, your turn, Kartikesh. We have find out word him, we, and so. 3 words. 3 words are left. Where is it? It's her. Where is our? Okay, her. Yes, there it is, her. Well done, Kartikesh. So, this is how you will find the other words. Okay. Now, let's move to the second word. Second question. Write the correct words from the green box in the given shapes. So, first will be 3-letter word. Yes, tell me. Maham, pick up a 3-letter word from the green box. One, very good. So we write ONE one over here. And E, like this. Maham, you also need to complete your pending work, okay? I want you to please complete your pending worksheets. Okay, Kartikesh, the next is 4-letter word. Can you please find out a 4-letter word from the green box? Excellent. Have. Okay. Next is again three-letter word. Yes, Kartikesh. Now find out a three-letter word from green box. Him. Excellent. Okay, Maham. Next is your turn. Four-letter word. Yes. Find a four-letter word from green box. Said. Very good. Said. Okay, now let's move to the third question. Write words from the green box in correct column. Words beginning with an H. In the first column, we have to write the words that beginning sound is H, that begin with the letter H. So tell me, look at the yes, Kartikesh. Tell me, tell me the words that begin with the letter H. Have one. Next. Well done, Kartikesh. Fabulous. Okay, now Maham, your turn. So we write here have him and her. Okay. So yes, in the next column we have to write words that don't begin with an her. With okay, that don't begin with the letter H. Yes, Maham, tell us the words from the green box that don't begin with the letter H. Maham, yes, one. Good. So, said, excellent. There are still two letters, two words left. Not and they. So, word not, one said so, they and we. They are not begin with the letter H. So, in the second column, we have to write all these words. So, any questions? Now you understand how you will do this worksheet? Any questions, Kartikesh and Maham? Okay, very good. Well done. Now let's move to your maths worksheet. Your maths worksheet. Okay. First of all, we are going to watch a video. Teacher is going to show you a video. Yes. Okay. I will upload it today. Okay. I will upload. Oh, Mr. R. He got a new clock. Okay. In our last video, we learned that there are two arms. There are two hands on the clock, one small hand and one big hand. So right now, which hand, the big hand is on the clock and the small hand shows the hours and the big hand shows the minutes. So basically the small hand is the hour hand and the big hand is the minutes hand. Right now we have the big hand with us. No, right now, sorry, this is the uh, this is the small hand, our hand with us. Okay, this is the our hand. Right now, the hand is on number three. Very good. Right now, the our hand is on number three. Now, tell me what hour is it? Six. Very good. 6 o'clock. Okay, wait. Now, when the hour hand is between the two numbers, hour never change until it pointed exact on the next number. So right now the hour hand is between number 7 and 6. So still it is number 6 is going on. Okay? Still it is 6 o'clock. So whenever right now as thus our hand is between the number 7 and 6, so still this is the 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 hours is still going on. Now let's try one more. What hour is it right now? Okay, is our hand is exact on the 12 o'clock or it is between 11 o'clock? Very good. 11. It is look, it is between the 11 and 12 o'clock. So still the 11 o'clock, it going towards the 12 o'clock. So still it is the 11 o'clock is going on. Okay. Still it is 11 o'clock. So tell me, so this is 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock? 11 o'clock. Excellent job. It is right now 11 o'clock. It is still 11 o'clock. So, for always telling the time, we always look at the first at the hour clock. Okay? Hour hand. We always first look at the hour hand. Okay, at this, as you can see, at this clock, the hour hand is pointing at the 12, at the number 12. And the big hand is pointing to the 1. If someone is crying over here, okay, it's okay. So, okay, each one of the increment is counted by 5. So there are 5 minutes between each of these big numbers. Okay. As you can see, the big hand is on number 1, is at number 1. So there are, how many minutes are there between these big two numbers? Five minutes. So it's, so right now the 5 minutes pass to 12. It's 12, 5 minutes past to 12. 5. So this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Every time we add 5, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and 60 minutes are back. As you know that there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, how many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. Okay. And when the small hand is on number 12 and the big hand is on number 6, it means it's half past 12. Okay. Yes, half past 12. Let me. Okay. Arsalan. Can I have my phone, please? Let's see how. Without any problem. How many waffles you can get? Open up, people. This is a war. Literally. And the Antarctic has plunged into the. Okay, we have to do the second question. Write the times show on the clocks. Let me share the window with you. Mom, can you please turn on your video? Yes, but the other didn't do it. So we have to discuss it again. Okay? The second one. We have done the first question, but we didn't discuss the second question. So let's do it. Okay. First, as you can see, the small hand, the hour hand is between the number 8 and 7. So it means it's still the 7 clock is 7 hour is going. And the big hand is on number 6. So it will be 7 past, half past 7. Okay. So on the look at the next picture now. The small hand is between the number 9 and 10. So it means still number 9 o'clock is going on. And the big hand is on number 6. It means half past. Yes, Maha? 9. Look, the hour hand is on, there is between number 9 and 10. It's not exactly pointed on the number 10. So, still it's 9 o'clock. So, look at the next picture. The small hand is between number 7 and 6. and the big hand is on number 6. It means it's half past. How 3, Maham? Look at the hour clock. Look at the small hand. Where it is, Maham? Yes, it's half past 6. Ac- Yes, Maham? No. Look at the hour hand. It's between the number 2 and 3. So it's half past 2 or half past 3? No. Yes. Because it is between the number 2 and 3. And we have to choose the first number, not the second one. Not the number that is coming. Okay? Yes, Kartikesh. Look at the next picture. The hour hand is between number 10 and 11. So it's half past 10 or 11. 10, excellent job. Very good. Yes, Maham, last one you are going to solve. The hour hand is between number 1 and 2. So it's half past 1 or 2. Excellent job. Well done. Okay, we have done it for today. Okay, now who is going to sing a rhyme? Okay, one by one. You both will get the turn. Okay, first, yes, Maham. Well done, well done. Yes, Kartikesh, your turn. How I wonder what you are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, now it's time for your activity. Are you ready for your activity? Good job. Today we will do some exercise. Let's begin. Keep it. That's very that's very good. Let me okay, let me share the screen with you. Just warm up first. Warm up. Warm up. Warm up. In front of your face. Clap in front of your face. Do it 10 times. Do it 10 times. Count. Count as well. Very good. Fabulous. Okay. Now let's see what first you have to do first. Okay. First we are going to do it like this. Open your hands. Yes. Open your hands and your fingers and then close it like this. You have to do it like 10 times. Okay. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Good job. Well done. Now we have to First, we are going to take our thumbs and we meet it with our index finger. Close it with your index finger, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to okay. Now we are going to meet it with our brother finger, sister finger. 1, 2, 3. Show me your both hands, Maham. Show me your both hands. Yes. First, you have to close your. Can you see that? You have to make a choo-choo. 3. Now move to the next finger, Maham. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, Maham, do it. You can do it. Come on, come on. You have to use your thumb and your brother finger like this. Move to the next finger now. Move to the next finger. Leave this finger. Use your thumb and use your next finger. Now move to the next finger, to the third finger. 1, 2, 3. Look, my two fingers are up, and I'm doing it with the third finger, thumb, and with the third finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's move to the last finger, the baby finger. Now we are going to use our thumbs and our baby fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Kartikesh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now again, show me your finger and we are going to, first we are going to close the thumbs and now fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Maham. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Very good. Now let's play the Simon Says. Simon Says. Simon Says tap your shoulder. Tap, 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 tap your shoulder. Simon Says tap your shoulder. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, very good, Kartikesh. Tap, 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 tap. Simon Says stop. Simon Says tap. Simon Says stop. Simon Says tap your head. Slowly, slowly, not too hard, okay? Simon Says stop. Simon Says pull your ears. Quickly, quickly, both ears. Pull your both ears, Mom. Simon Says stop. Simon Says move your hands. Swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 swish. The wiper on the bus goes swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wiper on the bus goes swish, swish, swish. Simon Says stop. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says stand up. Stand up. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says sit down. Stand up. 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 Stand up. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says stand up. Simon says, sit down. Simon says, fly like a bird. 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 Simon says, stop. Simon says, row the boat. Row, row, row the boat gently to the street. Early, 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 life is just a dream. Row, row, row the boat. Simon says, row the boat faster, 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 faster. Simon says, stop. Very good, well done. Oh, Kartikesh, are you tired, Kartikesh? Okay, it's okay. Okay, drink some water. If you are, Simon says, drink some water. Very good. Sit down and drink water. Sit down. Always sit and then drink the water. It's good for your lungs. Sorry, it's good for your kidneys, not for your lungs. Good for your kidneys. Hi, baby sister. How are you? Hello. Okay. Okay. So today's class is over. Take care. We will meet again tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. Only precipitate to make you jealous.